Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I will show you how you can sign up for Idle Heroes in just a few simple steps so that you can start your adventure without any hassle. So in order to start with the sign up process, first of all open up Idle Heroes game on your device and from the main menu, click on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Click on Settings from the menu and then from the Settings option, tap on Sign Up at the bottom. Now in the sign up form, type down your email address. Write down an email address you have access to in the first field. Once you are done, create a password for your account in the password field. After typing down your password, re-enter your password once again. Finally, click on Sign Up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to complete the sign up process. And that's it. You have now successfully signed up for Idle Heroes and you are ready to dive into battles and quests. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.